Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to connect a mouse. First, let's identify your mouse type. Is it a wired mouse that plugs in directly, a wireless one that uses a small USB receiver, or a Bluetooth mouse that pairs wirelessly? Knowing this helps you choose the right connection method. Each type offers a slightly different setup process, but all are quite straightforward to get working quickly. Connecting a wired mouse is simple. Just plug its USB cable into any open USB port on your computer. For a wireless mouse, first insert its small USB receiver into an available USB port. Next, make sure your wireless mouse has working batteries, then flip its power switch to the on position. Your computer should recognize it almost instantly, and you'll be ready to go. To connect a Bluetooth mouse, begin by opening your computer's Bluetooth settings. Then, put your mouse into pairing mode. This usually involves pressing a small button on the mouse's underside. Once your computer detects it, select your mouse from the list of available devices. Follow any on-screen prompts to confirm the connection, and your mouse will be paired and ready for use. If your mouse isn't working, first check all physical connections and ensure batteries are fresh. A simple restart of both your computer and the mouse can often resolve minor glitches. For persistent issues, consider updating your mouse drivers through your operating system's device manager. And hey, for staying refreshed, check out the Owala water bottle and other great deals linked in the description below. These steps should help you get your mouse functioning smoothly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.